I will not. Good evening, dear students, and welcome to my class. Are you listening me? Okay. This is food. You know this egg, water, these fruits, different type fruits. Okay. These are called. All are called in a foods. In short. Okay. Food. What is food? This is food is the biological chemicals, organic compounds. This organic compounds. Uh, uh, Food is the organic compounds which are okay, organic compounds which are used by organism for their growth, repair, and production of energy is called food. Okay, we have understood what is food. Food is a organic compound, which is used by organism, not human beings, but also all living things needed for their growth, repair body, and also energy, for getting energy. Okay, this is the food. Next. Okay, the food performs three functions of our body. First is growth, repair, and maintenance of our body. Second is provide heat and calorie, and prevent disease, ensure sound health, and control metabolic activities. You know these metabolic activities like respiration, digestion. These all activities in our bodies are called metabolic activities. Okay, nutrition. Nutrition is not a substance. It is a, what is nutrition? Nutrition is a substance. Is the nutrition substance? Process. Nutrition is a process. We take food. This food digest, and we find food nutrients, and these are used in our body and waste out from our bodies. This all process is called nutrition. Nutrition is a physiological process by means of which living organisms take food, digest, and absorb food components in their body. Okay, food nutrients. Food is composed of number of chemical elements. The chemical elements are called nutrients. Classification of foods. Based on nutrients, food is classified into three groups. This first group is protein. Second is carbohydrate, and third one is lipids or fats. Okay, this is the based others. Beside this, other three elements of foods are essential. What are these? These are mineral salts and vitamin and water. Okay, what is this? Okay, look, based on nutrients, food are classified into three groups. So we have already proteins, carbohydrate produce energy, lipids generates heat and energy. And beside this, other three nutrients food are also essential. Three essential food are vitamins, mineral salts, waters. Okay, vitamin prevents disease, increase energy, and stimulate different physiological chemical reaction. Okay, stimulate. Mineral salt that take part in different physiological activities. Water is in our body, 60 to 70% of our body is water. So water is most important ingredient, nutrients. So maintains water balance of the body, control the qualities of the cell, help the thermoregulation. Thermo means heat related. Heat regulation. It control heat related regulations is control. Temperature. Look at some foods. This is, what is this? What is the name this food? Okay, this rice, this one is potato, and okay, what type of food are this? Okay, carbohydrates. Do you know why do we need carbohydrate food? Carbohydrate food, what is the function carbohydrate? Huh? It provide energy. Okay, I am talking about for this food. Okay, find deficiency related disease. Carbohydrate, the intake of carbohydrate, be it more or less, both have negative impact on our body. It less or more take, it is both has impact in our body. If you take a more carbohydrate type food, your body will be overweight. It is will be, you will be exposed to diabetes. So you should lose your weight. Body control. Okay, you know this index, BMI, body mass index, you should control your. So don't eat more carbohydrate food, don't eat less amount. Okay, it should be controlled. Due to deficiency of carbohydrate, malnutrition occurs. Okay, fall of carbohydrate in blood creates metabolic disorder in the body. If there is a fall of carbohydrate in blood, symptoms of hypoglycemia appears. Hypoglycemia means lower levels of in a blood, low level of sugar. If low level of sugar in our blood, it is called hypoglycemia appears. For example, feeling of appetite, nausea, vomiting, excessive sweating, irregular heartbeats. Heartbeat, it may be high or low, not regular, it's irregular. Look at this, what is happened this kids, do you know what is this, why this some symptoms are appearing, bearing those kids? Huh? Carbohydrate, not only they are suffering from. Yes, who gave answer this question? Who? Huh? How? What is your name? 10. What is your name? Sad. Okay, thank you. Excellent. They are suffering from malnutrition. Okay, their malnutrition, it's what happened. If malnutrition occurs, what happened? Look, morbidity means weak, sickness increases. Their sickness increase. Morbidity means sickness. If malnutrition, sickness increases. Morbidity. Wound healing, if I suffer, I become recover quickly. This is healing process. Wound healing decreases. Wound healing like drop. Wound healing decreases. Infection, different type infection increases. Complication increases. Convalescence means spontaneity. In Bangla is called Shachando. It decreases. Convalescence decreases. You're not feeling the well. Okay, here mortality means fatality or death increases. Treatment increase. Length of stay in hospital increase. So malnutrition, have you understood? Mortality increase. Treatment increase, need more. Mortality become higher. treatment need more length. You have to stay, those infected person need stay at hospital long time. High cost, quality of life decreases due to malnutrition. Okay, look at some fruits. This one is look at some fruits. Are you looking this? This is meat, meat, fish, pulses, milk. Okay, this what type of fruit is something? My cursor keyboard miss without my touch keyboards or all something. I don't think this kill one. Okay, what type of food these are? These are what type of food? This proteins. Proteins already we have seen this one. Proteins. This types of food is proteins. Anyone use my keyboard? Symptom due to deficiency of protein. The body of children suffer from different protein deficiency related complications if food lacks of sufficient proteins. The growth and development of the body is also hampered. When children suffer from malnutrition, the growth of the body is stopped or delayed. The children suffer from kwashiorkor or marasmus disease due to protein deficiency. Look at some symptoms of kwashiorkor disease. Look this baby kids. Look this belly, producing belly. Okay, their brownish hair is brownish hair. Their okay, dark and scaly skin. Stunt growth. Their growth stopped. Stunted growth. Okay, underweight. Underweight. Lower weight is not normal, below of the normal below, or underweight, swelling legs, loss of appetite. They are nothing interested to take food, lose of appetite. Anemia. Anemia is blood if the this blood contains do you know this two particle water and hemoglobin, number of hemoglobins? Okay, do you know these particles? Red blood cell. Anemia, when this red blood cell number of in a blood number of blood cell is decreases, it's called anemia. Okay, mental retardation, their mental interruption obstacle occur. Reduced resistance, their reduced resistance means they are easily exposed to digest. Okay, so what are the symptoms of kwashiorkor? Say, I'll ask you again. Read one times, anyone. Are you reading? Hello, anyone student? Okay, read. I am asking Afredna Ahen Nabram. Read these things one times. Are you producing belly? Okay, now say. I am going to ask which student. Arif say some symptoms of kwashiorkor. Arif Say. Unmute and ask my question. Say some symptoms of Kwashiorkor. Are you listening me? Okay, Vivek. Say Vivek. Say some symptoms of Kwashiorkor disease. Vivek. Vivek Roy. Are you listening me? Okay, Ahmed Hassan. Say some symptoms of Kwashiorkor disease. Ahmed Hassan. Okay, say.
I won't be certain because whenever I give an answer, you can take credit someone else.
Okay, I am again say. Look, producing belly. Okay, brownish hair, dark and scaly skin, stunted growth, underweight, swollen legs, lose of appetite, anemia, mental retardation, reduce resistance. Okay, say you. Say some symptoms of Kwashiorkor disease. Okay, say anyone. Some symptoms of Kwashiorkor disease. देखिए क्या पारे. Some हैं? Oh my, there are two students. Okay, Jarin, stop. Jarin. Okay. Okay, good. Suraya, excellent done. Suraya done excellent. Okay. Okay, we have done Kwashiorkor disease, symptoms of Kwashiorkor. Which vitamin? Of protein, due to the deficiency of proteins. This. Okay. Look, another disease. This marasmusa. This pure muscle development, bone showing. This bone showing. Look, this baby bone showing. No fat. There is no fat in his body. Weak legs, anemia, lose appetite, grossly underweight, mental retardation, reduce resistance to disease. Okay, look at quickly, properly. Poor muscle development, bone showing, no fat, weak legs, anemia, loss of appetite, grossly underweight, mental retardation. Mental retardation means interruption, obstacle. Mental obstacle. Retardation, reduce resistance to disease. Any disease can কি করতে পারে, পাকড়াও করতে পারে easily. It's reduce resistance to disease. Easily disease can attack. Okay, so okay, I not ask some question. Look at some foods. This is আমি একবার ক্লিক করলে তিনটা ক্লিক হয়ে যায়, বিষয়টা কি? তোমরা আনসার তো জেনে গেছো। Okay, look at some foods. Foods. This one is, what is this? Huh? Okay, no, this ghee. This one? Butter. This one is? Okay. What type of food are these? Lipids or fat. Okay, fat or lipids. Okay. Okay, source of fat is eggs, dairy products, meats, fish, nuts, vegetables, olives, avocados. এটা আমি খুব চিনি না, avocados চিনো নাকি এটা? Okay, don't know. Okay, our body needs healthy fat. Healthy fat needs. All fat are not. Some fat are negative impact also. Our body need healthy fats for energy. Other function. Our body needs healthy fats for energy and other function. But too much saturated fat can cause cholesterol to build up in our arteries. in our arteries, blood vessel. If the too much saturated fat can cause cholesterol to build up in our arteries, blood vessel. Saturated fat raise our LDL. This is bad cholesterol, LDL. High LDL, bad cholesterol, LDL, increase our risks for heart disease and stroke. So we should be controlled. We use the healthy fat. Okay, too much, not we shouldn't use take red meat. This control take a high amount of fat, red meat. Okay, this is the risk for heart disease and stroke. And also I have seen many students, many persons not only take outside food. This food is not healthy. Outside food contains this LDL, and we can see the many people die in a few ages, like 40 to 50. Okay, due to the heart attack, heart disease. Okay, so you should be control these things. Okay, this it increase the healthy, decrease bad fat increase, and in our arteries, blood vessel, it build up the cholesterol. As a result, blood circulation obstacle. So this is risk for heart disease and stroke. Okay, this is number one disease in the world. This heart disease. You can see many your relatives dies due to heart attack or stroke, in a few ages. So you should be controlled. Don't need to take outside food, and healthy food you should take. Okay, vitamin. Vitamin refers to an essential dietary which is required by the organism is small amount whose absent result in deficiency disease. Okay, this is, what is the name, this one? Carrot. This one, tomato. This one English there. Red spinach. Okay, red spinach. Okay, what type food contain this one? Which vitamins contain? Which vitamin A? Good. Vitamin A. What type of foods? Which foods contains this food? Okay, error written wrong. Okay, this is contain vitamin A. Also some foods like contain egg yolk, vitamin A, fish, milk, cod liver oils, mango, pumpkins, green leafy vegetables contain rich amount of vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A deficiency disease like nyctalopia, night blindness, patient cannot see in low light. Patient cannot see, or near darkness condition. Okay, this is called nyctalopia. This is called also nyctalopia. This is called night blindness. Patient cannot see in low light. There is a boy near our house. It can't show his right in the night, in low light. This is night blindness. And xerophthalmia, dryness of conjunctiva and cornea. It's dryness occur in our conjunctiva and cornea. And okay, this I will explain next here also. This two is given in your book. This xerophthalmia and nyctalopia, night blindness. Okay, I don't know these things properly. I will not explain this. Okay, some food rich in vitamin B: soy milk, yogurt, tomato, cheese, egg, mushroom, carrots. Carrots is spelling wrong. I have written maybe. Chicken, nuts, meat, bread, avocado. Avocado. These are food high vitamin A rich food. This we know this vitamin A disease. Some disease. One of the disease is beriberi. Beriberi disease contains occurs lack of vitamin A. Beriberi disease. Look, these people becomes unable to speak. Inability to speak. This look dry beriberi. Look, some symptoms of common symptoms of dry beriberi. Inability to speak, become very weak person become very weak for due to beriberi disease. Inability to speak, wrist drop, foot drop, great weakness. This like this painful tender muscle, burning or tightening. Okay, this is called confusion. Look, feeling confusion. This do look the beriberi disease. Okay, be source of vitamin C. Have you seen this source of vitamin C? This is not only, there are many sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C deficiency, some diseases occur. Bleeding of the skin and mucus. Bleeding of the skin and mucus, fatigue, depression in brain, and increased susceptibility to infection in the lungs increase. Okay, and rough rough skin, joint and body itches, joint and body itches, muscle weakness, gingivitis, loose teeth. Vitamin C due to. Okay, you should take vitamin C, otherwise you face this disease. Okay, bleeding of the skin and mucus, fatigue, depressions, increased susceptibility and infection. We should do the COVID session. This is the COVID time. 19 COVID time. You should take lots of vitamin C, so it infection decrease the infection to COVID-19. So vitamin C is bodyguard. Okay, loose teeth and muscle weakness. Okay, rough and dry skin, joint and okay. This the deficiency, vitamin C deficiency. Okay, look, one disease occur. This scurvy of disease. And lethargy and fatigue, bleeding in the jumps, anemia, high fever. I'll ask this question later in my evaluation. I'll ask this question. Okay, what are the symptoms of scurvy? Bleeding in the jumps, anemia, high fever, lethargy and fatigue. Okay, vitamin D contains, sunlight contain vitamin D. Sunlight, the newborn babies and babies, if you also need sunlight. Sunlight contain a lots vitamin. It is source of vitamin D. This is the sea fish, cereal, milk, butter, geese, whole grains. Okay, this is the source of vitamin D. Okay, one disease occur for babies, rickets, and ophthalmia for adult people. Ophthalmia and rickets occur for baby. Lacks of vitamin D. Look, some symptoms of vitamin sign of rickets disease. Looks, bony necklace, curved bones, big and lumpy joints. Joints look big and lumpy. Joints look, this rickets. Bowed legs, knee bent out, rickets. And big joint, look, this joint become big, lumpy joints. Curved bone and soft spot on baby's head is slow to close. Okay, have you seen the sign of rickets disease? It is occur due to lack of vitamin D. Rickets occur, and also this type disease occur vitamin D of for adult. It is called osteomalacia. Okay, look some disease. Vitamin A called symptoms. Deficiency occur, loss of vision. Look, poor visions, loss of vision in darkness, night, sometimes complete loss of visions. Lack of vitamin D, deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin A. Vitamin B1, beriberi disease occur. Beriberi disease, weak muscle, very little energy to speak, to work, weak muscles, very little energy to work, very vitamin B1. And vitamin C, scurvy disease occur, bleeding jumps, wounds take longer time to heal. Vitamin C, wounds take longer time to heal. Lack of vitamin D, rickets disease, bones become soft and bent, calcium, like deficiency of calcium, bone and tooth decay, weak bones, tooth decay. Okay, iodine, this deficiency, goiter disease, gland in the neck appears swollen, mental disability in children. Iron deficiency disease is anemia, weakness. Okay, look properly. I'll ask question now here. Deficiency disease, vitamin A, loss of vision. Okay, vitamin B1, deficiency disease, beriberi disease, weak muscle, very little energy to work. Symptoms: vitamin C, deficiency disease, scurvy, bleeding jumps, wound take longer time to heal. Vitamin D, deficiency disease, rickets, and bones become soft and bent. And calcium deficiency disease is bones and tooth decay. Symptoms: weak bones, tooth decay. Iodine deficiency, goiter, glands in the thyroid glands become swollen. Mental disability in the children. Lack of iron disease, deficiency disease is anemia, weakness. Okay, have you seen? Look, 1 minute here. I'll ask question. Okay. Okay, I am asking question. Going to ask question. Afrida, lack of vitamin B1, which disease occur? Very good, excellent. Next, physmia, lack of vitamin A. Physmia, loss of vision. Very easy question. Khadija Khalik, loss of iodine, deficiency of iodine, which disease occur? Khadija Khalik, are you listening me? Khadija Khalik, yes, sir. Loss, deficiency of iodine, which disease occur? You can't say ISC because I stopped this one. What disease occur? Look this, you can see iodine due to deficiency disease due to iodine, goiter. It is Bangla is called Golaganda Rug. Glands in the neck appear swollen. Okay, this the thyroid glands swell. And symptoms: mental disability in children. Due to lack of iron, anemia disease occur. রক্তস্বল্পতা, রক্তশূন্যতা এটারে বলে anemia is weakness. Okay. Okay. Next question: which food contain calcium? Calcium contain non-fat and low-fat dairy, non-fat low-fat dairy substituted broccoli, dark leafy greens, sardines. They are contain calcium. Potassium contain bananas, raisins, nuts, fish, spinach, other dark greens. Fiber need this fiber contain you need fiber containing food is called roughage. It need clean our big small intestine, small intestine, big intestine in our body. It clears. So this okay. Vitamin A contain egg, milk, carrots, sweet potatoes. Vitamin C contain orange, strawberries, tomatoes. এটা কি কিউই এটা কি বাংলা কিউই, broccoli, red and green bell peppers. Okay, red and green bell peppers contain vitamin C, vitamin E. What? একটু তোমরা এটা পড়ো, আমি নাম আজান দিচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ, এটা পড়ো, আমি দৌড়াবো এটা কোয়েশ্চন। হ্যাঁ, একটু আমি মিউট করে আছি, এটা পড়তে থাকো। The rickets is elderly person is known as osteomalacia. The rickets of in elderly person is known as osteomalacia. The symptom of this disease are as follows. Due to the deficiency of vitamin D, the absorption of calcium is hampered. The reserve of calcium and phosphorus reduces. There is a change in the function of thyroid gland. Since the bone weakens, their hardness also lessens. As a result, there is a possibility of the bones being broken at light stroke. This elderly person, okay, this osteomalacia. Then remedy: if the above symptoms are visible, the advice of doctor should be sought for food containing appropriate amount of calcium and vitamin D should be consumed. If needed, medicine should be taken for these food nutrients. Okay, prevention is better than cure. Prevention: ensure consumption of vitamin D rich food, calcium rich food, and especially calcium vitamin D rich food is milk is a all item food contains here. Milk is a balanced diet. It contains 6 ingredients in nutrients of food. Milk is okay. It is called ideal food. It contains calcium, everything. Okay. Children should be allowed to play in the sun for a while. Do you play in the sun? You should play sometimes for the sun for a while. Okay. You should play sometime in the sun because sun rich of vitamin D. Otherwise, you will face this disease, osteomalacia. When you become elderly person, you face osteomalacia, or now in this age you feel rickets. Okay. Next is vitamin E. Vitamin edible oils is best source of vitamin E. Vitamin E contain food is grains, liver, fats of fish, meat contain vitamin E. Vitamin E help in cell formation. It takes some metabolic activities of the body. In very few cases deficiency of vitamin E occurs. Its deficiency symptoms also negligible. আচ্ছা এটা কি আইলো vitamin K is found in green vegetable. Okay, another food is I suggest you green vegetables is smart food. You there is no I so far I didn't so far I haven't found any side effect. Have you found any side effect green vegetables? Green vegetable is perfect food. Okay, you take much amount green vegetables: tomato, piyaz, rose, hips, spinach, lettuce, cabbage, cauliflower. This is my favorite vegetable, cauliflowers. Tomato also. Tomato I don't take too much, but it's this cauliflower. So okay, liver. Okay, it produces function. It produces the protein element. এটা কি prothrombin in the body. এটা পালাম না তো. Helps in blood coagulations. এটা কি prothrombin. এটা আমার বাংলা একটা যে আছে prothrombin. ভিটামিন K না? ভিটামিন K প্রথরবিন এটা অর্থ জানতে হবে না এখানে দিছে প্রথরবিন নামক প্রোটিন তৈরি করে প্রথরবিন রক্ত জমাট বাঁধতে সাহায্য করে ওকে I have understood this content due to prothrombin is one kind of protein prothrombin is one kind of protein it coagulation blood if cut blood body skin cut blood emits prothrombin stop bleeding okay where's my version okay prothrombin have you understood prothrombin is a one kind of protein in our body it helps in blood coagulation if don't coagulation blood if cut body we see if cut our body blood emits after sometimes blood emitting stop why this become stop it is stop due to the blood coagulation occur blood coagulation occurs it this protein prothrombin helps in our body to for coagulation blood okay this is prothrombin okay next disease is deficiency related disease okay this is the function vitamin S ki prothrombin is one kind of protein in our body it helps in blood coagulation okay vitamin A B C okay say source of vitamin A hello students source of vitamin A আচ্ছা তো তোমরা অনেক আচ্ছা এগুলো তোমরা পারো কিন্তু এগুলো আমি দেখাচ্ছি না বুঝছি হোয়াট ইজ ক্যারট ফাংশন কি হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ফাংশন আচ্ছা ডেফিসিয়েন্সি রিলেটেড ডিজিজ okay next is vitamin B sources there are different types of vitamin B1 vitamin B2 B12 B3 okay this vitamin B source is it given here vitamin B give sources vitamin B There are different types vitamin B complex. It's not given here. Okay, vitamin B1 is called thiamine, vitamin B2 is called riboflavin, vitamin B6 is called pyridoxine. It helps energy production. Have you seen this vitamin B containing food? Have I show you vitamin B containing food? This is, look, avocado, bread, meat, nuts, egg, geese, mushroom, carrots, chicken, tomato, soy milk, yogurt. These are the vitamin B containing food. Okay. The next thing is the very long chapter. This is very big chapter. I can't finish 31st page, 35 page I made this so far, but not ended this chapter. This mineral salt is one kind of one parts of food, class of food, these minerals. Apart from the salt that we eat with rich and vegetable every day, there are other type of salt badly needed for our body, like proteins, carbohydrate, fats. Mineral salt don't produce energy in the body, but salt is essential element for the body cell, body fluids. Food containing calcium, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus, chlorine, iodine, iron, sulfur, etc. all get into the body and help in body formation. These elements are not found as basic elements in the body. They exist with other substances as organic and non-organic compounds. Mineral basically functions in two ways in our body. For example, it acts as a body forming element to control the internal activities of the body. Meat, egg, milk, green vegetable, fruits are the main source of mineral salt. Okay, mineral salt we find this how we find this in a food. Food contains, like it is, we can find in mineral salt in organic and non-organic compounds. It exists in our body as in a food as a organic and non-organic compounds, like meat, egg, green vegetables. Mineral salt forms the body and control the internal function of the body. Mineral salt ki kore? What is forms the body and control the internal function of the body. For the formation of bones, teeth, enzymes, hormones, stimulations of nerves, contraction of muscle, keeping the osmotic balance of the body, activating different enzymes, mineral salt is an essential element. Calcium from teeth and bone coagulate bloods. Okay, the necessity of mineral salt in human body. Calcium forms teeth, bones, coagulate blood. Okay, do you know? Have you understood what is coagulates bloods? Coagulates bloods মানে রক্ত জমাট বাঁধে, হ্যাঁ, কেটে গেলে রক্ত সঙ্গে সঙ্গে জমাট বাঁধে, coagulates blood. Perform the smooth functioning of the nervous systems. Phosphorus also forms teeth, bones, and makes phospholipids. Iron forms the red blood corpuscles. Red blood cell, this iron form helps the enzymes in their function. Iodine help in the function of thyroid gland and help the metabolic process to run smoothly. Sodium is essential for most of the body cell and body fluids. Potassium play a vital role in the contraction of muscle. Deficiency related disease, rickets, goiter. Rickets calcium is absorbed along with vitamin D. It is deficiency cause rickets. It also been described in the section of vitamin. Okay, goiter. It is called GAG. The prevalence of this disease is more in the northern part of our country, especially Rangpur, Dinajpur, Jamalpur, Mymensingh districts. In the absence of iodine in the body, thyroid glands become bigger and throat gets inflated. And symptoms of this disease are flow. Inflated the thyroid glands, sound produced during breathing, hoarseness of voice, feelings discomfort in the throat and face trouble in swallowing of food. Patient feels dizziness and weakness. Remedy: at the early stage of this disease, iodized salt, sea fish, fish liver oil, marine algae should be eaten. If necessary, doctor should also be consulted for proper treatment. আচ্ছা, cretinism আবার কোনটা এটা? Cretinism, do you know this cretinism? Hello student, cretinism, huh? এটা তো লেখা তো cretinism. This is nothing written, same things is here is written. Cretinism, Bangla English same, eh? This is cretinism. Cretinism, usually children are exposed to this disease due to iodine deficiency. The symptoms of this disease are as follows: growth of the body becomes slow, thick skin, deformed face, thick lips, large tongues, and risk of turning mentally retarded. Remedy: proper and timely treatment help to overcome problem and to maintain the normal growth of children. Prevention: cretinism, iodized salt should be eaten regularly. Okay, do you know eat iodized salt? You okay, this government is this implemented in Bangladesh. All salt contain iodine. Like next, anemia. Iron is consistent of elements of hemoglobin of red blood corpuscle cells. People with iron deficiency may experience this disease. If the children and pregnant women lack of iron in their body, they suffer from anemia. Usually children attacked with a round arm may experience this disease. Symptoms: weakness and drowsiness of head and body, usually rapid palpitation. মানে কি? Palpitation মানে কি রে? Hello student, palpitation মানে কি? র্যাপিড বুক ধরফর করা নাকি? মাথায় ঘোরানো, বুক ধরফর করা, র্যাপিড পালমিটেশন. Okay, look, this usually rapid palmitation, dizziness, hard breathing, particularly when in the light work, loss of weight and appetite. Remedy: this big chapter you make lose your concentration. I have also become tired this. Remedy: vegetable enriched with iron, fruits, meat, egg yolk, liver, etc. should be eaten in ample quantity. If needed, doctor may be consulted for proper medication. Okay, don't need that. Is that now water is essential nutrient for our livelihood. Our body contains how much water? 60 to 70% of water. Okay, how much water contain? 60 to 70%. 1 মার্কস কমন পাইবা পরীক্ষার মধ্যে, এটা আমি দিছি পরীক্ষায়। কে কে আছে এখানে? কয়জন? 15 জনে পাইছে 1 মার্ক। আওয়ার বডি কন্টেন্ট কতটুকু পানি থাকে? 60 to 70% ওয়াটার কন্টেন্ট। এটা আমি পরীক্ষায় দিছি এমসিকিউর মধ্যে। আচ্ছা, okay, in the formation of a body the rule of water is very much important. The water remains inside and outside the cell of bones, flesh, skin, nails, teeth, etc. Almost all food contains water, but we meet our demands by drinking water separately. Apart from body formation, water controls all the internal activities of the body. Without water, no chemical reaction can take place. Water acts as a solvent in the body. Different mineral salt remain dissolved in water. Different mineral salt remains dissolved in water. The digestion of food goes on in absence of water. Again the food nutrients get absorbed in the body while they remain dissolved in water. Okay, function. Water is responsible for blood circulation, thermal regulation of the body. Water releases waste material from the body, for example urine, sweats. When cholera and diarrhea occurs, a great quantity of water is released through defecation and vomit. If cholera or diarrhea occurs, the patient should be given oral saline and water salt beverage, sharbat. Why? Because minerals and water released from the body. It is the easiest treatment for cholera and diarrhea. Besides, International Center for Diarrhea Disease Research, Bangladesh, has produced packet oral saline for this disease. Do you know this ICDDRB? Where is it situated? It is London, New York, Dhaka, Islamabad. Where is it? Geneva. ICDDRB. Do you know where the WHO is located? World Health Organization. Hello students. Okay, I have a question. Where is ICDDRB? This is the international organization. It is situated in Dhaka, Bangladesh. International Center for Diarrhea Disease Research of Bangladesh. It invented oral saline. Oral saline is first made in Bangladesh. Okay, it is mixed with water and given to the patient to drink. Recently, a saline named Comsaline saline has been invented. The saline is made up of 1 liter water, 50 gram rice powder, and a pinch of salt. Rafes containing the undigested food contains some undigested part. This undigested part of food is called rafes. Rafes is the part of cereal grains. Undigested part of food is the rafes. Rafes is the part of cereal grains, fruits and vegetables which is not digested. These are the rafes. It passes almost unchanged through the gut. It is not a nutrition element, but it is a very essential to maintain sound health. Do you know a famous writer named Humayun Ahmed? Can you say one name of book of Humayun Ahmed? Do you know one famous writer in Bangladesh, Humayun Ahmed? Anyone? Humayun Ahmed. Okay, say one book name of Humayun Ahmed. Opekka. Huh? Okay, this famous writer died due to colon cancer. This colon is the large intestine in our body. Small intestine, large intestine. It's called colon. Here cancer occur due to it is lack of rafes. If rafes is contains clean our large intestine. Okay. so this roughest containing food is important to clean our large intestine. Do you know the large intestine? Okay, roughage in fruits and vegetables is the cellulose wall of plant cell. We get roughage from fiber foods. Okay, it cleans the all small intestines. এই যে নাড়ি বুড়িরে সব পরিষ্কার করে ফেলে রাফেজ। ওকে, বুঝতে পারছো নি? Clean our all small intestines, large and small intestines. Okay, food selection. The food which meet the demand of the calorie of the body, maintain the growth and formation of tissue cell, control the metabolic activities of the body is called balanced diet. Balanced diet contain, that means balanced diet food, we mean the correct amount of food and correct proportion of each 6 type of food that meet the demands of the body of a particular person. Okay, balanced diet contain all the 6 type of food in proper proportion. Okay, okay, there's the necessary nutrition elements of food remains in specific quantity in a balanced diet depending on age, sex, physical condition, work had. Balanced diet chart should be made following some instructions such as: in every single meal of the day, inclusion of 6 food elements including protein, carbohydrate, fat should be confirmed. Okay, in every single meal you should inclusion of 6 food elements including proteins, carbohydrate, fats, minerals, vitamins, also water. Okay, food from each group has been supplied. Okay, you have written out of total daily intake, calories 60 to 70% from carbohydrate, 10% from proteins and 30% from fatty food should be taken. Okay, list of balanced diet. Following some guidelines, we can make the list of balanced diet. For example, firstly, the list has been made based on understanding that the requirement of different food elements vary according to the age, occupation, physical status and particular person. The daily required total energy should be ensured according to the needs of the body. The food should contain correct proteins needed for body formation and prevention of its decay. Okay, your food should contain protein needed for body and for the formation of body and from prevention of its decay. Ensure presence of appropriate vitamins, minerals, water in food. এটা তো already 6 পার্টের মধ্যে চলে গেছে, তো এটা আবার বারবার দিই। To acquire knowledge about the nutrition value, classification of food, first we have to select. There should awareness about food habit while selecting food. কি দিছে এগুলো? ও তোমাদের একটা কি ফুডের কি লিস্ট তৈরি করতে হবে, লিস্টে ব্যালেন্সড ডায়েট আর এগুলো থাকতে হবে। Okay, thank you so much. This is class almost finished. From this chapter I made